Should we all stop skateboarding because it's shitty weather outside? Hell no. Yeah, you can slide out and yes, you can get injured, but hell, you know, if you live in the UK, it's shitty weather all round, so we don't really have a choice, do we? Now, I've got one deck that is basically my designated crap weather board, and I suggest you should get one too. Purely because we all have boards we like, and then we've got some boards that we don't. So you basically use the one you don't really enjoy on the crap days. But that brings us to the point of making this video. If you use your board in really shit weather, chances are that your bearings will be quite messed up. Plus, I'm very keen to see what's inside of the board because I went over the nose almost today because one of the bearings seized. So I'm guessing they will be a little bit out of whack. And I know this is a very basic thing to do, but there's quite a few people asking our store how to do that. So this will go on our website, skymonster.com, but we'll also keep this on the YouTube because I know that quite a few people struggle with this and I'm sure this is going to help quite a few of you. So let's jump straight into that. Wow, okay, this is really stuck. Jeez. If you look closely, there's an actual rust there. What? So grab a pipe wrench, link below, and unscrew the wheels. Just make sure not to lose any of the parts that will be coming off. One of the best ways to remove the old bearings is just using a screwdriver and slowly pulling them out. Some might need a little bit of a hammer time to push them out. Give it this a quick clean if you can. And now with the other ones, again, make sure not to lose the nut or the washer. So the best thing to do is to put the washer back on the truck just in case. If the bearing isn't too stuck, you can remove it using your truck in the same way as you would do this with a screwdriver. Just give it a bit of a wibble and don't lose the spacer either that's between the two bearings because that's gonna suck. Okay, so these are pretty crap bearings because they're only sealed on one side, allowing all the nasty stuff to get in, so let's chuck these away. More premium bearings will be sealed on both sides for added protection, like this one here. Cheap stuff isn't worth the hassle for a couple of pounds difference. Now push the bearings in and don't forget about the spacer that goes in between the bearings. Push the second bearing in its place, and if it's stuck, use the screwdriver upside down and a little bit of hammer time again. Now you can use the screwdriver to position the spacer when putting the wheels on the trucks. It definitely helps a little bit with the whole process. Now the washer goes on first, bolt, and then tighten everything up with your pipe wrench. And that's it, you're ready to rock. Okay guys, I hope that was helpful. I've got to hit the road, I've got a tattoo appointment today, so peace out.